High-end fashion videos don't need cameras, models, or editing software anymore. AI can create a full catwalk scene in seconds. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Steve AI, then access the tool and select the text-to-clip feature to start building your video. Now describe your vision in detail. A model walking confidently, the outfit style, runway lighting, background ambiance, and overall mood. This is where creativity matters most, as your prompt controls the entire look and feel of the video. You can also adjust settings like video length and screen format to match Reels, Shorts, or widescreen content. Once everything is set, submit your input and let the AI take over. In just a short time, the platform generates a sleek, runway-style video that looks polished and visually engaging. The motion, styling, and presentation come together to create a professional fashion vibe without any manual work. Once it's ready, download the video and use it for content, ads, or social media. This method makes fashion video creation fast, flexible, and incredibly creative.